You're going to be doing a project, writing a paper, or debating a topic, and you need to know different viewpoints of your topic. You're in luck. Opposing Viewpoints has the information to tell you both sides of the story. Let's learn how to navigate this online resource to help you be successful. You can find Opposing Viewpoints in the Library Resources folder on Launchpad. The resources in the Library Resources folder are organized alphabetically, so you just need to search for Opposing Viewpoints. Like most digital resources, there is a search bar. How you search your topic may vary depending on your search results. When you type your topic in, pay close attention to what generates under the search bar. These topics may help you find some great information. As an example for today, let's look up gender norms. As you can see, after typing in gender, several options pop up. These options include gender identity, gender differences, gender roles, gender studies, gender pay gaps, and several others. As you finish typing gender norms, you get a whole new list of options. It is always beneficial to look at these options, as one or more may provide information you will find useful in your research. Depending on what your project, paper, or debate issue is on, this list will help get more specific information. If you type in your topic and yield little to no results, you may need to work on your topic and go in a little different direction. Let's pretend your paper or debate was over gender-neutral bathrooms. You can start looking at both sides of this issue and determine which side you're going to take when completing your project or paper based on the information you find. Your search results will pop up in the gray square at the top of your screen. Some topics may have tons of resource results, and others may only have a few resources. This is when it is good to search your topic in a few ways. If you get a large number of resources, you obviously aren't going to use them all. You can begin determining what you may or may not help you by reading the titles. If you click into a specific area like news, it will take you into a list of the things that are available to you. When you click into areas like news, begin looking at titles to determine what is beneficial and what you know won't fit your project or paper. You can see that some of these articles are about parents upset about trans-neutral bathrooms in the middle school and chaos over an inclusive toilet sign. These news articles obviously will support people who are against this topic. Vermont passes a gender-neutral bathroom bill, and Yale introduces a gender-neutral bathrooms, a college trend, obviously are people who will support the topic. When researching a topic with two sides such as this, you might find it beneficial to research both sides so that you can reference them both in your project or paper. It's very difficult to convince someone of a specific side if you are unfamiliar with both points of view. You may also find it beneficial to look at any images or videos that were available for your topic. Look for other videos that will show you how to save your articles that you are using in your Google Drive and how to take digital notes that will also save into your Google Drive. And learn the importance of citing your sources and how easy it is to do so in a digital resource that NEISD provides you in Launchpad.